There's a new chapter being written in Raritan Bay Medical Center's proud history of meeting the medical needs of the communities it serves. These are exciting times, changing times, as Raritan Bay sees a new path as a member of the Meridian Health Group.
The people that they have, the resources they have, the experience, the strategy, really adds a layer of advantage to Raritan Bay Medical Center that we otherwise would never have had.
These changing times allow Raritan Bay to play a part in a significant union in New Jersey healthcare, as Meridian and Hackensack Medical Center move toward forming a medical powerhouse of services and resources.
We could not have become larger, bigger, if you will, on our own. We needed to become part of something bigger, and that has now been accomplished after years and years of very hard work.
One of the things that I think Meridian really loved about Raritan Bay was the fact that during very difficult times, we not only were able to maintain, but we were able to improve the asset. We were able to continue to build out our facilities, improve them, and to engage in this really terrific achievement, the Medical Arts Building here with surgical suites, the Joslin Diabetes Center. We're sitting right now in a building that, 5 years ago was a dream, and now it's a reality.
That afforded patients, doctors, and staff new opportunities while staying true to the hospital's core mission.
I like to tell people to kind of practice family medicine, okay? Because that patient there that day, you should treat them like your family and make sure that they come out safe and sound and comfortable, because if you treat them with the care and the consideration and the concern that you would have for your family, then they're part of your family that day.
It's also home to the Joslin Diabetes Center, experts at managing and avoiding diabetes-related complications through treatment, education, and proper nutrition.
Our focus, and the focus of the system that we're going to join in population health, is keeping the population healthy, dealing with chronic disease, keeping people out of the hospital, in the home, and being aware and responsible for your own health and your own health care.
It's relationships like those with Aristocare Health Services that aid Raritan Bay in caring for those in need of rehabilitation and subacute care, assisting them in transitioning back into their everyday lifestyle.
Community is important to Raritan Bay, community is important to Aristocare at Alameda, and together, because we represent a continuum of care, we're really able to work together to fulfill a lot of needs in the community.
Spending 30 years as a police officer in town and having a very close connection to the hospital itself, particularly the nurses and doctors in the emergency room, I've seen how lives have been saved simply because of having that hospital within the community.
And it's a lot of fun to look back, over the years and see how it's changed and grown and continues to help the community.
As we go forward, I can look back on that and say that yes, we had a major impact on providing quality health care to Perth Amboy, the surrounding communities, and to Old Bridge and all the communities here. And that has made a difference in a lot of people's lives, so yeah, you can feel good about that.
Changing times, maintaining the best, and improving the future.
Tonight's theme really captures that change, and it captures that change in a way that recognizes what's been and what will be at Raritan Bay Medical Center as we become a much larger entity and a much bigger player in this area.
In joining Meridian, I think we're not just joining one of the premier health systems in New Jersey, I think they're probably one of the premier health systems nationally.
We found a superior home, Raritan Bay Medical Center, and I couldn't think of a better way to be part of a system that is led by such forward-thinking, outstanding leaders. I think it's a perfect way to be able to walk out with my head held high that we've done the right thing for the residents of Middlesex County and the surrounding area.